Hi everybody! This video is a little celebration and a little thank you because we reached our goal of $500 pretty fast, I have to say. I am so happy about it, still completely shook. Like, how is this happening to me? This is amazing. Thank you so much. I did a little poll asking you guys what you want to see for the celebration video. Most of you guys said you want an art tutorial, so I thought today we could talk about drawing lips. So I just focus on one part of the body because I used to have my problems with drawing lips, and I really didn't understand how to make them look good. And there are several ways, and I just wanted to talk you through how I do it. Okay, then let's go. I use my iPad Pro 10.5 inches and Procreate. So I usually draw the lips really simple. I just draw a line basically, and I always start with the corners of the mouth and move inwards like that. You can also play with different shapes to convey different emotions. Okay, so I tilt my pencil a little bit to kind of give a hint of lips without actually drawing them. So this is a really simple and quick and easy way to make lips. Also, if you color them in red instead of black, you can really make pretty lips, pretty simple lips. So this is just the way I draw my lips. This is really lame and really simple, but there's also a way to draw actual lips. So you also start with the actual line of the mouth. So you start with the corners of the mouth or with the basic shape, and then you add in your upper lip like this and the lower lip. I never really paint the whole entire lower lip. I just kind of give a hint of where the shadow would be. And then for a side tilted face, like this is my face, and then it's tilted to the left, and here are the eyes, and here is the mouth. So for a face like that, let me remove it. For a face like that, you kind of draw like a little wave form. And then you add in the upper lip. Yeah, more like that. And then the lower lip. I cannot really explain that really well. I'm gonna try again. This is like a little bit of a different shape of a side tilted lip. This is an example of how it looks like if I draw a face with like a profile view, like completely from the side. So basically just make the wave form a little bit more exaggerated. You can actually always color your upper lip in a darker color because this is where the sun won't hit, so it's always a little bit darker. And this is how I draw a mouth that is a little bit open, where you can see the teeth. Kind of start the line with the corners of the mouth. Let me try that again. also really tend to remove what I don't like and start over a lot, because the first things that I draw are never perfect. So I really have to erase a lot and experiment a lot until I really like what I draw. So now I will show you how I draw a profile view lip. I can either draw it really simple, or for feminine characters I kind of just draw the upper lip like that. So yeah. Yeah, so there's one more thing. I want to show you how it looks like if I draw like a real stretched open mouth. So for example, if someone is yawning or something, you basically just, like, the whole mouth is more narrow and more open, more wide open. So the lips get a little bit smaller. Now one last try on a profile view lip. Okay, so that is it for the lip tutorial. I really hope you liked it and you find it helpful. If you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for reaching the goal, guys. Again, I know I said it 100 times, but thank you. Have a great day, enjoy your week, and I'll see you next time, I guess. Bye!